Kendall homeowners understand the importance of protecting their homes from Florida's unpredictable weather. With strong winds, heavy rain, and the threat of hurricanes, choosing Impact Windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. But just as important as selecting the right product is choosing the right installer, one with local expertise in Kendall's climate, building codes, and structural challenges. Impact window installation is a specialized job, and only experienced local professionals can ensure long-term performance and safety. Here's why local knowledge matters when installing Impact Windows in Kendall homes. Local professionals understand Kendall's hurricane risks. Impact windows are designed to withstand extreme weather, but proper installation is essential for them to perform as intended. Local installers understand the specific challenges Kendall faces during hurricane season, including high wind speeds, windborne debris, heavy rainfall, rapid pressure changes. Because they've worked through years of South Florida storms, local experts know how to anchor Impact windows securely and seal them effectively to prevent blowouts and water intrusion. Familiarity with Miami-Dade building codes and requirements. Kendall falls under some of the strictest building regulations in the country. Miami-Dade County's impact resistance and installation requirements. These codes ensure homes remain safe during hurricanes, but they can be complex and are regularly updated. Local installers. Stay current on Miami-Dade product approvals, ensure windows meet impact testing standards, follow proper fastening and sealing requirements, handle necessary permits accurately and efficiently. Hiring someone unfamiliar with these regulations could result in failed inspections or worse, improperly installed windows that put your home at risk. Expertise with Kendall's concrete, stucco, and block construction. Many Kendall homes are built with concrete block or stucco exteriors, which require specialized tools and knowledge for proper installation. Window openings in these materials behave differently than those in wood-framed homes, and incorrect installation can lead to cracks, leaks, or unstable frames. Local experts know how to securely anchor Impact windows into concrete and block walls, properly remove old windows without damaging the structure, apply sealants designed for Florida's humidity, adapt installations for older homes with irregular window openings. This structural knowledge ensures a tight, secure fit that protects your home for decades. Proper sealing to prevent moisture and mold. Florida's heat and humidity can cause poorly installed windows to develop condensation, leaks, or mold growth. Local installers understand how Kendall's climate affects sealing materials and choose products that hold up under constant moisture and intense sun exposure. They use high-quality marine-grade sealants, moisture-resistant flashing systems, installation techniques that prevent water intrusion. This helps protect your home's interior and preserves the energy efficiency of your Impact windows. Customized recommendations based on Kendall's climate. Impact windows are not one-size-fits-all. Local experts recommend products tailored specifically to your home's exposure, orientation, and environmental conditions. They help you choose the right level of impact resistance, low-E coatings for heat reduction, tints that reduce glare without darkening your home, frame materials that withstand Florida's humidity. This personalized approach ensures your windows perform efficiently and complement your home's design. Ongoing support and local customer service. When you choose a local installer, you get more than a one-time service. You get ongoing support from a company that's part of your community. Local professionals are nearby and available when you need adjustments, inspections, or maintenance. Benefits include faster response times, reliable warranty support, easy communication, long-term relationships built on trust. Unlike national chains, local companies depend on reputation and customer satisfaction, meaning your home receives the highest level of care. Protect your Kendall home with experts who understand it best. Impact window installation is a major investment in your home's safety, comfort, and value. To ensure your windows perform at their best during Florida's most severe weather, choosing a local Kendall expert is key. From understanding Miami-Dade building codes to handling humid climate challenges and providing dependable service, local professionals deliver the precision and reliability your home deserves. For peace of mind and long-lasting protection, trust local installers who know Kendall homes inside and out.